here we will write a program to accept numbers to store in set and remove all odd numbers from the set. So first in comment line we will write, first we will accept total number to accept from the user. So n equal to int input, enter total number to accept. Since we are going to store these numbers to set, so we will define empty set first. So set1 equal to set, and we will use for loop to accept the numbers. So for I in range 0, n, we will accept the number from the user. So num equal to int input, enter number, and we will add this number to set1 dot add num. Then outside the for loop, first we will print original set. So we will print set1. Then we will print set after removing odd numbers. For this we will read elements from the set. So for val in set1. But since we are going to remove the odd numbers from the set, it will generate an error. So we will convert this set1 to set again. So set of set1. And we will check if val mod 2, we will remove that element from the set. So set1 dot discard val, and outside the for loop we will print set1, and we execute. I will give total number as 5 and I will enter the numbers. It will print original set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after removing odd number the set will be 2 and 4. That is 1, 3, 5 are removed from the set since they are odd numbers. So here first we have accepted the total numbers from the user, that is n. Then we have declared an empty set, and using for loop we will accept the elements to store in the set. And then we will read each element from the set, and if the element is odd, we will remove that element from the set using discard function.